Officers in Fond du Lac found handgun casings and are investigating reports of shots fired last night. According to the Fond du Lac Police Department, officers responded to the area of South Main Street and East Pioneer Road for a report of possible gunshots. Officers searched the area but weren't able to locate any witnesses. Shortly after, they received a call that led them to search an area near East Pioneer Road where they found the handgun casings. No injuries have been reported, and officers went back to the area this morning to look for any additional evidence. Now, if you have any information about the incident, you are asked to contact the Fond du Lac Police Department.